If you want to own and operate your own Level 3 DC fast chargers, you've probably run into the same problem as every other charge point operator. The upfront cost is high. The chargers have a reputation for sitting broken, and you don't know how much they'll get used. The question becomes, will this ever break even? I'm John Carper with Blue Whale EV. We've installed hundreds of charging ports across the Mid-Atlantic. Blue Whale is a certified Tesla installer. We handle everything from design through install, fully turnkey. Now, for the first time, businesses and governments can own their own superchargers at apartments, retail centers, office parks, hotels, and more, while collecting the revenue themselves. Here's what makes Supercharger for Business different. Your site is integrated directly into Tesla's network, the same system most drivers rely on every day. That means built-in visibility and demand from day one. Second, a typical 8-stall site can attract dozens of charging visits per day. You set the price, Tesla takes a fixed fee, and the rest is yours after operating costs. Third, and most importantly, Tesla guarantees 97% uptime and handles maintenance, driver support, and network operations. That means you're not running a charging business on your own, you're owning infrastructure with a managed backend. You're not starting from zero. Have a site in mind? We'll put together a customized property-specific report with real-world demand data, revenue projections, ROI, and available incentives at no cost. And if you need to move through procurement, we're on Sourcewell, letting you cut the procurement timeline in half. If you're ready to take the first step, request your free report at bluewhaleev.com/EV-report.